how to enable Hey Siri on iPhone. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Siri or Siri in Search, depending on your iOS version. Next, turn on Listen for Hey Siri. On some newer versions of iOS, this option may appear as Listen for Siri or Hey Siri. Tap Enable Siri if you're prompted to confirm. Now, you'll be asked to set up Siri by repeating a few phrases so your iPhone can recognize your voice. Simply follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. Once you're finished, you can activate Siri anytime by saying, "Hey Siri," or just Siri on supported iOS versions, then ask a question or give a command, like checking the weather, setting reminders, or making a call. That's it. You've successfully enabled Hey Siri on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, Siri tutorials, and easy tech guides.